Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And my name is Karan and I am from Bihar, Aurangabad district. And friends, let me tell you, I am recording my video after very long time because when I have completed my 30-day challenge, and from that day I am not recording my video because I think that my English is not improved. That's why views are not coming on my video. People are not watching my video. That's why uh, I feel something bad. I feel something negative thought are coming in my mind. That's why I stop my recording. I stop my journey. So, but I realized that whatever problem face, just handle it and try to record yourself. And I want to improve my English. So I thought that from today I every day write one page writing and I speak in front of mirror and in front of camera so that I can improve my fluency. And as you can see that I am also making some mistake. I am fumbling also. This is only improve by doing practice. But I think that if I not make consistency, then I can't improve my English. So if I have to improve my English, then I have to become a consistent. I have to speak daily, at least 20 to 30 minutes daily. Then I can improve my English. So if you also want to improve your English, you also want to learn English language, you also want to uh, improve yourself. So I request you to mm, please speak English. Whatever you are doing, just do in English, so that if you do in English, then after some day you realize that you are thinking in English. If you not able to think in English, then just think what I have to say it into English. Suppose that your native language is Hindi and you want to speak in English. So not speak in Hindi. Just think in your mind that what I have to speak these things in English. If you think in like this way, then you can definitely improve your English. Friends, you are. mm I know that you are also thought that first you have to improve your English, then you give me suggestion. But friends, I am saying this because if you want to improve English, then you can do such things. Then you can improve something English. I am not sure that you definitely improve your English by doing these things, but I am sure that if you practice in English, if you read in English daily, if you consistent and practice every day, then I am sure that you definitely improve your English. So let's do together and let's we improve our English together. So if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe and stay connected with me. And from today I upload daily video in English so that you can also improve your English, and we will improve our English together. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for giving your time. And if you new, then please subscribe and support me. Thank you.